It is on.
All right.
And we need some good
Meteorologist
weather,
Lauren
don't we?
Casey is here. Yeah, and everybody wants good weather for the long weekend.
Yes, we are going to improve the weather dramatically for Summerfest tomorrow evening. It'll be a little breezy. I'm bringing a hat.
All right.
But clearer conditions. It's going to be a rough go over the next couple of hours as we contend with the threat of some stronger storms that are already developing across parts of the Delaware Valley. But conditions, people trying to get out there on the beach right now, but they might be chased away by some of these cells that are rapidly developing. We already had heavy rain move through this morning. Really impacted the morning commute. Check out some of these rainfall totals in our neighborhood network on the order of about a half an inch, a quarter of an inch, close to an inch, and we have more rain on the way. Storm Scan 3, you can see just over the last couple of hours, really within the last hour, these cells firing up very rapidly. So you could turn over for some breaks of sunshine to a thunderstorm very quickly over the next several hours. And we're seeing some of the shower and storm activity right now encompassed over Salem County, Gloucester County, Camden County, and now get ready, Center City, Philadelphia. The rain is starting to come down here as well, moderate in intensity. You can see this rain is going to strengthen in intensity very quickly within these cells. We're dealing with a thunderstorm cell right now over parts of Delaware, just north of Dover, Pleasanton Acres, up into Dutch Neck Crossroads and Woodland Beach, seeing that heavy rain coming down and frequent lightning as well. Check out some of these cells off to our south and west. There are multiple cells, and a number of these do have severe thunderstorm warnings. They will continue to track to the north and east, so we need to keep an eye to the sky over the next several hours. And future weather going to show us as we head into the 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock hour, these cells moving in across the area. Check this out, a picture of 8 o'clock this evening as we head into the 9 o'clock hour, seeing some scattered stronger thunderstorms rolling kind of from southwest to northeast across the area as we head into the 10, 11 o'clock hour. Eventually those storms starting to move out, and then things will start to wind down as we head past midnight. A few lingering showers after midnight, but we'll see that kind of stronger weather threat come to an end before we start to clear things out for our Friday and improve conditions just in time for Summerfest. But severe threat, we do have one across much of the area today. Does include Center City, Philadelphia, South Jersey, the Shore, and Delaware. We're in this marginal risk of severe weather this evening and the early part of tonight, as we could see a few isolated thunderstorms and they could go severe. Temperatures right now, we're on the rise because we do have a warm front coming through that is creating that lift in the atmosphere, also giving that warmer temperature and the moisture as well in order to support some of these cells. Temperatures have warmed up into the 70s across parts of South Jersey. We're at 75 degrees right now in Cape May, but conversely, 61 degrees ahead of the boundary at Barnegat Lighthouse. For your Memorial Day weekend, we will finally start to quiet things down. Saturday looking like a good day, mostly sunny. How about that? 78 degrees to kick off the weekend. Sunday, increasing clouds with a late day shower or thunderstorm. And as we head into the holiday itself, warming up to 83 degrees. But we will have to watch out for a chance of showers and storms, mainly in the afternoon. Tomorrow, though, not looking too bad. A mix of clouds and sunshine. And we'll see mostly clear conditions, I think, taking over by the evening hours. A bit breezy for us with a high temperature at 77. But the weekend, 3-day weekend, not looking terrible. But, you know, Saturday is the day to get outside for sure. Also, next up, we have the Atlantic hurricane season. It starts in just a week, and it could be a busy one. Forecasters at the Climate Prediction Center are predicting 11 to 17 named storms this season. Of those storms, 5 to 9 are expected to become hurricanes, while 2 to 4 of those will become major hurricanes. That's category 3, 4, or 5. Forecasters say the above average prediction is due to several factors, including a weak or potentially non-existent El Nino, above average sea surface temperatures or water temperatures in the Atlantic, and average or weaker than average vertical wind shear. We need that vertical wind shear, tears the tops off those thunderstorms that try to form in our tropical systems. So we like the shear, but looks like we're not going to have much of it this season.
Wow. Okay, Lauren, thanks so much. Appreciate it.